Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading every single day in September. Yesterday you've seen me unboxing the ASOS Advent Calendar, and today, literally freshly delivered, like this very late afternoon, I'm filming this just after work, is the Charlotte Tilbury 12-day Advent Calendar. It came in the most bougiest box, and then inside it came in another box which looks like this. On the top of it says, Charlotte's lucky chest of beauty secrets. Explore Charlotte's world of makeup magic and glowing skincare icons. Discover a beauty secret in every jewel-handed drawer. I've never had a Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar before, so I cannot wait to get this open. And then this is what the Advent Calendar looks like. This is absolutely insane. Like, the packaging, the quality is unbelievable. And this bit lifts up, it's like a little magnet closing. And then this bit lifts up and it says, may all your beauty dreams come true. The hoarder in me will not be able to get rid of this. I'm going to have to use this as like a jewellery box. Well, I shared a picture on Patreon and Amy was like, definitely going to be a jewellery box, and totally agree. So it has like really sturdy, like thick cardboard drawers with these absolutely stunning like little jewel like handles as well. The only thing is, I don't think it actually has a number for each door. So I think you can just like do whatever order you want. So this retails for £160, and you do only get 12 products inside here. Obviously Charlotte Tilbury is a bougie brand. You get 2 full size and then the rest are travel size. So starting with the first drawer, this is quite a big one, and these come fully out again, just in case you do want to reuse them, because I know a lot of people do. I have said that in some other videos, like in my Revolution Pro Miracle Advent Calendar unboxing. I'll leave like my Christmas playlist link down below if you want to see what unboxings I've done so far. I do have Elemis, Harrods, Next and Space & K come in as well, so make sure that you subscribe because you don't want to miss any of them. But I did mention that some people like to reuse them. Like I said, I will definitely be doing that with this one. It is beautiful. But for the first one, in here we have like a little tissue pouch. Ooh, and the first one we have is the Walk of No Shame lip gloss. I'm so glad that this isn't a Pillow Talk one, because I actually have this already like in Pillow Talk, and I actually do really like the colour story of the Walk of No Shame products, so I'm really excited to have this. So each drawer in this advent calendar is worth £13.3 recurring, so let's just say £13.33p. So for me personally, I would have liked this to be like a little bit bigger, for it to be £13 one. However, it's Charlotte Tilbury, it's bougie, so I'll do a little swatch anyway, because I'm quite excited to see the colour of this. Ooh, the applicator is cute. And then that is what the colour, actually do you know what, it probably go really nice with what I've got on now. Ooh, it's really like minty scented. Okay, well that is really juicy. It's because it's one of their collagen lip baths, which says it's in collagen enhanced lip plumping effect. That's why it smells minty. I can feel it like slightly tingling. So this is a mini size, and for the minis you can normally buy these in a pack of 3, and the pack of 3 is £20 and the full size one is £27. So I think for this you're probably like just about making equal for how much the day is worth. Moving on to the second drawer, this one I am so ridiculously excited for. This is why I don't buy bougie stuff. That was my humble reminder that I'm from a council estate. We have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. I am so excited to try this, especially because, again, if you watch my Revolution Pro Miracle Advent Calendar unboxing, you will know I absolutely love the Revolution Pro Miracle Serum, which looks very similar to the Magic Serum from Charlotte Tilbury. I absolutely adore this. I put it on today before I do my makeup. It's like my favourite thing ever. So I'm really excited to actually try them side by side and to see whether there's a difference and how this one feels and looks, and whether I love this one just as much as the other one and vice versa. This is an 8ml bottle. Again, it would have been nice to have a bigger version, but it says in it that it's a crystal infused Replexium, oh that's a cool word, Replexium serum for younger looking miracle skin. Wow, there's me saying, oh my god, I wish it was a bit bigger. The 8ml version is worth £27, so definitely getting your money's worth in that one, straight up. Moving on to tray number 3. Again, we have some very nice, like wrapped up tissue paper. Oh my god, it's a little baby. This is the one product that I know I definitely already have, but this is always in the advent calendar, so I knew there was no way that I was going to avoid this. This is actually a mini version. This is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and this one is in the shade Spotlight. I just find that I don't really reach for these kind of like liquidy highlighters. I think because I have like oily combination skin, I just want to set everything down and powder everything. Although I say that, I actually do have on today the Vive Skin Dew with like a little bit of powder highlighter on top, so it's definitely could be a different way that I use it. So actually setting this with a bit of, just a little bit of powder highlighter just so it doesn't feel as sticky. But yeah, we have a 5ml bottle, and this is just what it looks like. Of course, it is always really, really nice to get a full-size product. However, when you are an absolute makeup hard like me, you probably won't get through a full-size one anyway. So this is a nice way to try stuff. The next drawer is a even bigger one. And in this one, oh my god, I am so excited to try this. This is the Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. So the Spotlight shade is one of the best-selling ones, and it's a candlelit gold liquid highlighter. And the full-size version is £12. So let's just kind of round it up from 5 to 6. And let's just say that that one is worth £15. Maybe £14 if you want to be really, really peculiar about it. So again, you're just getting your day's worth from that one. It says lip conditioner by day, lip mask by night. And this is full size. This is actually worth £28. One of the products that I'm actually really glad to be full size because I know I'll definitely get my use out of it. And I have been wanting to try that, but I just didn't want to spend £28 on a single lip conditioner. So yeah, that is that one. Moving on to day 5. So in this one we have a mini Pillow Talk push up lashes. This one is in the shade Super Black. The brush looks so nice for this. I didn't expect it to be that kind of bristle. I've never tried this, I don't think I have. I think the one that I've tried is the one where it's like the stars. I think that's the one that I've tried. So yeah, excited to give this a go. So like I said, that is a travel size / mini size, however you want to phrase it. And this normally retails for £14 at this size. So again, you are getting your money's worth. Next one, we are halfway through. Oh my god, so this one we have a lip liner again. Absolutely buzzing that this isn't Pillow Talk because I feel like everyone has, like if you've bought something from Charlotte Tilbury before, it's naturally what people are kind of like gravitated towards. That's what the brand's so well known for. So it's so nice to have this in a different shade. So this is the shade Hot Gossip. And this is what it looks like. I really, really want to try the Magic Water Cream as well. I feel like that would be so nice. So that is the Hot Gossip shade. Let me actually swatch it compared to Pillow Talk, because obviously I've got that on right now. Ooh, yeah, so actually the new colour that I've got is more my cup of tea because Pillow Talk is actually a lot more pinker than it. I know like my friend Laura absolutely loves Pillow Talk, whereas for me, I just feel like it's not really my kind of colour. I definitely like more browns, which is definitely this new one that's in the advent calendar. So the pinker one is Pillow Talk and the other one is Hot Gossip. So again, right up my street. I can't find the price for just the mini lip liner by itself because it normally comes like in sets. You can get it in a set with that collagen lip bath from a different door. A set's £20. So we'll just say this has like a £10 kind of price tag. So again, just a little bit under how much the day is actually worth, but that's if you buy it in a 2 set, and obviously that will include a little bit of discount with it being a duo. So it might just equal out to the same amount that the door's actually worth. Moving on to door number 7. I'm so excited. I'm honestly so happy with this so far. This one, I think I definitely already have. This is the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. I definitely have a brown from them. I don't know if it's Barbarella though. I'll have to have a check. But again, this is like a mini one. This is just what it looks like. I actually really do like brown eyeliners, especially if you want something that's just not as harsh. Again, I can only find the mini in like a set, but the full size version is worth £22. So I'm not too sure how much the smaller version is worth. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm not normally one, right, by the way, who likes brushes in advent calendars, especially not mini ones. However, the actual shape of this looks so nice. Do I wish that it was full size, a full size brush? Yes, because this would actually make a really, really nice foundation brush. However, when I am traveling to London quite a lot, I actually don't have a brush that's like small, that has like the like the kind of shape of this for foundation. Do I think it's £13 worth behind a door? Absolutely not. Like, I'd be fuming if I paid £13 for this. However, it's Charlotte Tilbury. You're definitely paying for like the name of it and like the luxuriousness of it. So I would have preferred to have this full size and a little bit bigger. However, weirdly, I actually will get my use out of that, and at least it's a shaped brush that I would actually use and not like a weird paddle brush. So I won't slag it off too much. Oh my god, next one. I honestly, when I saw this in here, I was like, oh my god, another reason why I really want to get this advent calendar. I generally feel like I want to start collecting these, but they are ridiculously expensive. So I'm trying to like put myself off it. But because I love this so much, I am so excited to try this one. So this is like another version of like their Hot Lips lipstick, and this one's in the shade Glowing Gen. And it describes it as a luminous, modern matte, long-lasting lipstick. And obviously this one is full size. The two products that are in here that are full size are the lip balm and also this. So the two things that I'm actually really wanting to try anyway. And then this is what the colour looks like. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then this is the colour here. I feel like this is going to be absolutely perfect for like fall, autumn, whatever you want to call it, moving into wintry times. And I'm just absolutely buzzing to have another one in my collection. Moving on to the next one. Oh my god, this is another one that I was like, oh, I really, really want to try this too. This is the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. So this is like one of their newer releases from this year. I'm actually really surprised that this is in the advent calendar. I've been wanting to try this, but again, didn't want to splash out on the price tag, she says, after buying £106 advent calendar, but you know what I mean. And then this is just what it looks like. It has 5ml in it, so the same as like the Spotlight liquid highlighter. I'm sorry about the sponge. That is actually adorable. I have said it in previous videos, I definitely prefer matte blushes to then be able to control where I put my highlighter instead of having just like highlights all over. So really, really, really excited to try this. And I have been doing declutters on my YouTube channel recently and going through every single drawer of my makeup, decluttering it, getting rid of stuff, and just really trying to like narrow down my collection as much as possible. And wait till you see my liquid blusher drawer. It is insane. I've actually had to take out the organisers because there was just too much stuff in there, like it wouldn't fit with the organisers in there. So I'm actually really glad that this is a mini because I have a lot of liquid blushes. Second from last is another, again, super exciting one. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. I love that it comes like with a little bit in it as well. Bougie. So bougie. This is the Magic Cream, the one and only. This is an instant turnaround moisturiser, and this is a 15ml tub. Again, I really, 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 really want to try this. I remember quite a few years ago I did a video testing Charlotte Tilbury and I had some like little samples. I think it was back when I got the mystery box. I'll leave a link down below if you want to have a little check out the mystery box, if you want to check out my video testing loads of Charlotte Tilbury products. But I have actually tried this like little tiny samples, but I've never had like a pot of it before. And this 15ml tub is actually worth £26. £26, which is crazy. And then moving on to last but not least, again, another one that I don't think I own. I think the reason I think I own it is because Alex raves about it so much. I feel like it's part of me now. But I'm pretty sure I do not own this at all. This is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Honestly, the way that Alex raves about this, she should be the ambassador and the face of this setting spray. The gal has backups upon backups of it. Like, she is obsessed with it. She said it's literally like the best setting spray she's ever used in her life, and she's an oily gal, so you know that it's true. You know it's being tested when she's an oily gal. So this is obviously the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and this actually retails for £17. This is a travel size one, but again, it would normally cost £17 to buy this. So just crazy, absolutely crazy. So that is everything that is in the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar for 2023. I would love to know what you think down below. Have you tried Charlotte Tilbury before? Have you had this Advent Calendar before? If you're somebody who has had it all the previous years or in recent years, how does this compare? Because obviously this is my first ever one. I'm so excited by so many of these, like the serum, the magic cream, the setting spray, the matte blush, oh my god, the lip conditioner, the hot lipstick stick. Oh, I'm so happy with this, and you best believe this is going to be my new dewy box. Please let me know what video you want me to put up tomorrow. I do have the Elemis and Harrods Advent Calendar, however apparently my Space and Care Advent Calendar is coming tomorrow, so if that comes tomorrow I will try my best to film it and get it up the same day. I do work every day, so I'm hoping I can get it up for you and get it filmed as soon as I finish work, but it is a tight squeeze. Like last night I put the ASOS video up and it was like way past like 10, half 10, and the views weren't the best because it went up so late, but hopefully I can get this one up a little bit earlier. Like I'm literally finishing filming this at 6, so fingers crossed I can get this up ASAP. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in a new video tomorrow. Don't forget to check out all my other videos that I've been uploading in September, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.